Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. This is Lily Thomas II, and this is the Integra 37 channel. This is a pre-service stream, so if you're getting ready to go to church, whether that is tonight or later on this morning, this stream is for you. And before we go further, let me introduce you to my breakfast. I am having vanilla flavored almond milk this morning, and if you would like to try something exquisite, definitely try a hint of mint in your almond milk. It tastes so good. There is a really famous song out that has a milk reference, and if you can name that tune, do so by naming that tune, naming the artist and the name of the song in the comment section or in the chat box if you are watching on Twitch. And the lyrics go, "As I'm in the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire and set the night alight. Shoes on, get up in the morn, cup of milk, let's rock and roll." Okay, those are the lyrics. If you know the song, name the artist and the name of that song in the comment section below. If you are a millennial and maybe even Gen Z, you may remember the Got Milk commercial. So those are all of my milk references. And that, of course, is how I'm introducing this morning's mukbang of sorts. I'm not eating to the fill, but that is what is going on this morning. How much vanilla almond milk can you drink in one sitting? There's your challenge. So I have a few announcements for you. In fact, I have some news on some new music. I have a friend named Robert Brodus V who has just produced a single called I Am God by Ejay Harold. His music is available on Apple Music, Spotify, and Amazon Music, as well as other platforms. If you would like to check out more of Robert's music, you can look at the Heights Project and Good God. There are some concerts coming up. If you're really into, you've probably heard this on the radio, but if you're really into Christian music, TobyMac is coming to the area in March. So you want to get those tickets as soon as possible because it's going to be a huge show. Also, Reliant K is on their Yeah tour, and they are going to be singing some songs from off of their latest album and some older songs as well. So definitely look forward to that. They are coming in March and you don't want to miss them. They are absolutely great live. So those two artists are coming in concert here to the Baltimore area, TobyMac and Reliant K. If you did not know, I actually have a blog and you can find out the information in the description box. You can follow me as I read through the Bible for the 12th time at http://faithzone2016.blogspot.com. And of course, you can find the address in the description box below. If you would like to see the edited version of these videos, become a patron and subscribe to my Patreon. You'll be able to see the openings, the closings, the lower thirds, all of the very cute kind of edits that people make in their videos on my Patreon. If you have a testimony, now is a good time to share it. You can definitely leave a comment in the comment section below or in the chat box if you're watching on Twitch. Talk about the good things that have happened to you this week. Talk about the things that you look forward to. Talk about your answers to your prayers. And we will definitely be glad to share it with our audience. So that is about it. Oh, but I'm going to tell you about the good thing that has happened to me, and that is with regards to the commitment I have on Sunday. I originally, like I said before, planned on streaming this on Sunday mornings, but I actually have a work commitment on Sunday. So I'm really excited and I'm really grateful for that. In fact, I have it's the same contract. I have a work commitment tomorrow, so I'm looking forward to that as well. I know that we're in the midst of COVID season and it just snowed in the area, so that may seem a little bit difficult for some people, but I'm glad for the opportunity to serve in any way possible and get paid. So God is good. Thank you so much for joining me for this morning mukbang, this pre-service stream. And if you would like to catch me for the 2 p.m. coffee special, do so, and you will not regret it. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye.